Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss a very fantastic app, how we can use that app. So this is 3D wallpaper. Okay, so you can use this app. So it's a very fantastic to use. First of all, you have to click on download, then you have to click set wallpapers, then you have to click here. Okay, then easily you can set this. So this have been set. So this is very fantastic. You can see this is 3D wallpaper. You can, when you will move, so it will also moving here. Okay guys, this is 3D wallpaper. So you can see the further thing as well. So you can set this marks as well. You can see by here. It will take time. You can see here. Oh my god, this is very dangerous to see. Okay, so if you want to set the other wallpaper, you can set the other wallpaper, Spider-Man. So it's depend on the layers. This is 8 layers and the layers depend on the MBs as well. So you can put a bundle of wallpaper and easily you can use. If I will move my cell phone, so it will also move. This is called the 3D. I am moving my cell phone, it's also begin moving. Okay guys, so what to do? First of all, you have to install this app. I will show you. You can see this setting. So here are the some of the settings. Official setting. This is a free of cost app, so you do not need to worry about this. You can see this is also the fantastic wallpaper to use. I love it. So you can use this also. You can see the preview and further as well you can use here. Okay guys, so here are the setting. If you want to put effects, delete, share, save and preview, you can do by here. 3D, add layer and whatever else you want to do by here, you can do bundle of things. So let's come to the app. I wanna show you the app. So this is 3D wallpaper parallax 4D backgrounds. Okay, go and install this and also like and subscribe my channel. We will come like this videos again. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.